Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Worldwide Tutoring. Today in this video we learn about exponents and exponents rule. 2 to the power 3. So 2 is called base and 3 is the exponent or power. 2 to the power 3 means the base 2 is multiplied 3 times, like 2 times 2 times 2, and if you evaluate you get answer 8. Similarly, some examples here. 5 to the power 3. So base is 5, power is 3. So 5 base is multiplied 3 times. 10 to the power 3 means base is 10, power is 3. So 10 base is multiplied 3 times. A to the power 6. Similarly, A is multiplied 6 times. 6 to the power 4. So base is 6, power is 4. So 6 is multiplied 4 times. 4 to the power 3 means 4 times 4 times 4. We multiply 4 3 times. So there are some rules. We have to apply those rules to solve exponential problems. First rule is zero property or zero rule. Any number with the exponent 0 equals to 1. Like 2 to the power 0, the value equals to 1. 3 to the power 0 is 1. 8 to the power 0 equals 1. Similarly, 10 to the power 0, any number to the exponent 0 equals to 1. So next is negative exponent. If we have any negative exponent, reciprocal of that becomes positive exponent. So a to the power minus n, so we write 1 upon a to the power n. Similarly, 2 to the power negative 3, to write as a positive exponent, we write 1 upon 2 to the power 3. 3 to the power negative 2, as a positive exponent to write, we write reciprocal of that 1 upon 3 to the power 2. Similarly, 5 to the power negative 4, we write 1 upon 5 to the power 4. If there is a negative exponent in the denominator, then it will go up and become positive. So 1 upon 2 to the power negative 3, we can write as 2 to the power 3. Similarly, 1 upon 3 to the power minus 2, it becomes 3 to the power 2, and 1 upon 5 to the power negative 3, it becomes 5 to the power 3. So next rule is multiplication rule. So multiplication rule is when exponents with the same base are multiplied, the powers are added. Like example here, 2 to the power 3 times 2 to the power 4. So base is same 2, and then we add the powers. So 4 plus 3 becomes 7. So with the same base, when they multiplied, their powers are added. Like 3 to the power 2 times 3 to the power 5. So base is same 3, and add the powers. 5 plus 2 becomes 7. 10 to the power 2 times 10 to the power 3. So base is 10, and we add the powers. So 3 plus 2 is 5. Similarly, a to the power 3 times a to the power 3. So common base is a. Add the powers. 3 plus 3 is 6. 5 to the power 3 times 5 to the power 8. So base is 5. Add their powers. 8 plus 3, 11. 10 to the power 3 times 10 to the power 9. So base is 10, common base, and the powers are added. So 9 plus 3, 12. 3 to the power 6 times 3 to the power 2. So base is 3. Add the power. 6 plus 2 is 8. X to the power 5 times x. So base is x. So 5 plus 1, no power means 1. So 5 plus 1 becomes 6. So this is a multiplication rule. Next is division rule. So division rule is when exponents with the same base are divided, their powers are subtracted. For example, like 2 to the power 3 divided by 2 to the power 2. So common base is 2. Subtract their powers. 3 minus 2 is 1. 3 to the power 8 divided by 3 to the power 3. So base is 3. We subtract their powers. So 8 minus 3 is 5. So 3 to the power 5. Similarly here, 5 to the power 7 divided by 5 to the power 3. So base is 5. We subtract the power. 7 minus 3 is 4. 10 to the power 8 divided by 10 to the power 2. So base is a. 8 minus 2 is 6. Similarly, 10 to the power 7 divided by 10 to the power 2. So base is 10. Subtract the powers. 7 minus 2 is 5. So this is called division rule. When same base they are divided, the powers are subtracted. Next is power rule. So power rule is when the power raised to the power means the power and power multiplies. Like 2 to the power 3 bracket power 2. So outside power and inside power we multiply. So it becomes 2 to the power 6. 3 times 2 is 6. Similarly 3 to the power 4 and outside power we have 3. So 4 times 3 becomes 12. So 3 to the power 12. Similarly here 5. Inside power is 3 and outside again power 3. Power and power multiplies. So 3 times 3 becomes 9. Here x and power inside is 5. Outside there is 7. So 5 times 7 is 35. 4 is the base and inside power 3, outside power is 7. So 3 times 7 is 21. A is the base, 5 inside power and outside power is 2. Power and power they multiply. So 5 times 2 is 10. So this is called power rule. Next is power of product, property of exponent. So we have any two product and outside we have any exponent. So this exponent multiplies to both the terms like a times b to the power m. So a to the power m and b to the power n. 2 times 3 to the power 3. So this power 3 multiplies to 2. So 2 to the power 3 times inside 3 to the power 3. Similarly, we have here 2 times a times b2. The whole power is 2. So this 2 multiplies to this 2 to the power 2. Then 2 multiplies to a to the power 2. And 2 and 2 multiplies. So 2 times 2 is 4. So b to the power 4. Similarly here it becomes a to the power 3 times 2 6 times b to the power 3 times 3 is 9 times c to the power 3. So power and power multiplies. Similarly here 3 multiplies to 2, so 2 to the power 3. Nothing means power 1. So 3 times 1 is 3 times 5 has inside power 2, outside power is 3. So 2 times 3 becomes 6. One more example, like nothing means power 1. So 2 multiplies to 10, power and power multiplies. So 10 to the power 2 times 2 to the power 2 times inside power is 3, outside is 2. 3 times 2 becomes 6. So a to the power 6. So this is called power of product rule. Next is fraction exponent. When exponents are in fraction, the numerator is the power and denominator is the root. Like 2 to the power m over n. So n is the root and m is the power. So we write 2 base and root is n. So write root sign n and power is m. So power is m. Like 3 to the power 3 over 2. So base 3, power root is 2. So there is a root square root sign and 3 is the power. We write 3. Similarly here 5 to the power 4 over 3. So base is 5, root is 3. So cube root and power is 4. So power is 4. Similarly 6 to the power 3 over 2. So base is 6 and root is 2, that is square root. This is a square root sign and power is 3. So we write bracket and write 3. Similarly 3 to the power 4 over 3. So power is 4 and root is 3. So we write 3 base and cube root. Because root is 3, we write cube root and power is 4. We put bracket and write 4. Similarly 5 to the power 6 over 3. So base is 5 and root is 3. So cube root and power is 6. So we write 6 outside the bracket. I hope you like this video. If you like this, please like and share and subscribe to the Worldwide channel. Thank you.